In this video, we will be taking a look at the sheathing and the second floor wall framing. However, before we do that, I wanted you to take a look at the joists and give you an idea where they lap to provide you with an idea of where we're going to break the sheathing. So every 4 feet, here we have 12-inch on center joists, 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot. And here we have 16-inch on center joists with one spaced at 16 inches, 32 inches, and then 48 inches. And if you lay out the floor correctly, then you won't have much of a problem with your floor sheathing. And with the price of floor sheathing being ridiculous, and who knows what it is when you're watching this video, it could be $400 a sheet. And like most things, we will deal with that when it happens. Now you can see here where the breaks are lining up. However, I have a break here that is not going to be lining up, and that's because of a toilet. And I'm going to have the same situation over here. So I've got a couple of breaks that line up, except this one doesn't. And another thing you will need to think about when installing all of your floor sheathing. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at the wall framing. We are going to start with the front wall here, along with the channel, 3 studs to make the corner. And here, let's not forget that if we have an opening larger than 5 feet, then there's a good chance you're going to need double trimmers. So we have a full length trimmer and then a trimmer that we can pull and move if needed when we set the window. And then, of course, our bathroom window here, and then the window for our master bedroom. And the next wall we will be taking a look at over here is not going to have a window in the bedroom over here. And let's not forget, when you're designing a bedroom and you're looking for places to put the windows, to always think about where the bed is going to go. So the headboard of the bed is going to go up against this wall with 2 small tables on each side of it there. And then the window for the bathroom, along with the medicine cabinet here. The back wall that will be part of the exterior and part of the interior. The stairs are going to be going up right here and into this opening here. So here we have the opening for the stairs, and you're going to need to make sure that you always have enough headroom for the stairs. And to finish off the exterior, we will take a look at the walls forming the outside of our other bedroom, and then the window that we will use for it, along with the channels here for our closet walls. And of course the wall in the other bedroom. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at the closet for this bedroom. And of course, since this is a non-load bearing wall, we are not going to need double trimmers here. And in some cases, you might even be able to get away with a 2x4 header. And this should give you an idea of how we have centered the door in between the outside of the closet. And this could be another problem you could run into. I've seen people center the doors on the inside, and that might not be that big of a deal for most of us, but it could be a big deal for those perfectionists. And of course, the wall separating the bathroom from the bedroom, and this will be the wall that will have most of our plumbing in it, along with another medicine cabinet. Next up, let's take a look at an inside view of the window here with the walls in place, along with the bathroom window centered in between the 2 walls, and of course the master bedroom window. And the wall framing studs are going to be 16 inches on center, and of course keep in mind that the spacing can be a little shorter, it just can't be a little longer on the load-bearing walls. Next up, the door going into the master bedroom, and then these 2 doors going into each bedroom and our hallway. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at the master bathroom. That is going to have a medicine cabinet on both sides of the vanity here. And of course, this is where our sink is going to be for the bathroom. And then here is where the toilet is going to go and the shower. And of course, the pocket door framing. And I would strongly suggest ordering the pocket door and measuring it yourself to make sure that it's going to fit in here. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at the closet framing, where you can see the header coming into the channel, and of course supported by a trimmer there. and the trimmer will go underneath the header as the header dies into the flush wall here. Another neat feature in this design for our sliding closet doors. And here you can see how the corner is going to be finished. We're going to miter both of the headers with a 45-degree angle so that they can sit on top of the 4x4 post. And then we will frame this wall so that it is going to be flush also, so that the closet door can close up against a flat surface. And of course the corner framing here, and another view of the pocket door over here with the backing on each side for the drywall. And then the stairway opening here with the header sitting on top of a trimmer on each side there. View of the hallway, and the bathroom door with the medicine cabinet. Another view of the bedroom, where the door openings here will have the door on this side open up against this wall, along with the door on the other side opening up towards the same wall. And hopefully that wasn't confusing. However, if it was, you know what to do if you watch my videos. Feel free to leave all of your questions in the comment area, and I will answer them as soon as possible, along with hitting the thumbs up button if you like the video.